Hey guys, we're going to look at some more factoring. This time we're going to factor out a greatest common factor and then factor our trinomial. So we're just going to jump into straight examples. Here we have a trinomial, x to the fourth plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared. However, we can factor out an x squared from the get-go. So we're going to factor out that x squared, and now that leaves us with an x squared plus 5x plus 6. And now what's left in parentheses, we can factor into our two parentheses. So it turns out to be x plus 2, x plus 3, but we have to keep that x squared out in front. Okay, here's another example. This time we can not only take out an x, but we can also take out a 4 from every single one of our coefficients. So when I take out a 4x, that leaves me with x squared minus x minus 20. And remember, I'm looking for factors of 20 that are going to subtract to be 1. Well, that's 5 and 4. And remember, your larger number goes with that middle sign. So we're going to have a 4x that drops down, and then an x minus 5 and an x plus 4. Obviously, you can always FOIL and then redistribute to make sure you get what you started with. Here's another one. We have a negative x squared plus x plus 56. We never want that leading coefficient to be negative. So anytime there's a negative out in front, you want to make sure that you factor out that negative 1. So we factor out a negative 1, which changes every one of our signs. So we're left with x squared minus x minus 56. And then we can factor this trinomial to be x minus 8, x plus 7. Don't forget to keep that negative 1 out in front. Okay? So use what you know from up here to go ahead and factor this piece.